Okay, good morning. Today we will discuss paper number 425 IBPS RRB Clerk and PO Prelims exam. Study the following information carefully, then answer the given questions. There are 10 persons from K to T who are born in 10 different months from January to October, but not necessarily in the same order. Q was born 2 months after M, who was born in the month having odd number of days. 5 persons were born between M and P. 3 persons are there between P and T. K was born just before S and just after O. The number of persons born before L is 1 less than the number of persons born after R who was not born before L. Now let us see this question. See here, there are total 10 persons from January to October. So all of you draw 3-column table. First one is the month. Second one is the person. Third one is also the person. So we are trying to do this one in two possibilities. So write down the months from January to October. January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September and October. So these are the months we are having. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September and also October. So first in each month how many days are there? So January is having 31 days, February 28, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30 and October 31. Now let us start the puzzle. Q was born 2 months after M, who was born in the month having odd number of days. So first let us take here, I am taking M. After M, 2 months gap Q. Here also after M, take 2 months gap Q. Then M is born in the month having odd number of days. 5 persons are there between M and P. There are 5 persons between M and P. We can take like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 persons between M and P. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 persons, P. There are 3 persons between P and T. Between P and T, there are 3 persons. See here, after P, take 1, 2, 3. After that, you write here T. After P, take 3 gap, write down T. Now here, after P, take 3 gap, write down T. Why? Because before P, there is Q. So this is one thing. K was born just before S and just after O. That means OKS should come without any gap. So here we may write OK followed by S. So here also you may write OK followed by S, or here you may write OKS. But if you see this arrangement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But we are here having only 10 months. But see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one might be correct. This is definitely wrong. Why? Because we got 11 members, but there are only 10 members in the question. So this one is wrong. Then number of persons born before L is 1 less than the number of persons born after R who was not born before N. That means R is born after N. R is born after N. So after N only we will get R. Then the number of persons born before L is 1 less than the number of persons who are born after N. N who is born after R. N is born after R means here we may get N, here you may get R. After R there is one person. So before L there is no person means L should be at the top. So we got the correct arrangement. If you see the correct arrangement properly, first person is L, next person is P. See this one. After that O, then K, then S, then T, then N, M, R, and Q. So this is the correct arrangement. Now let us answer the questions. First one, who is born in the month of July? In the month of July, the person is N. So in the month of July, the person, correct answer is N, which we don't have none of these. How many persons are there between Q and T? This is Q, this is T. Between Q and T, there are 3 persons are there. R was born in which month? R is born in September. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? See here, L is born in the month having 31 days, whereas O is also 31 days, whereas T, it is 30 days, M 31 days, Q 31. So T is the odd one out. Next one, which of the following combination is correct? L March, O April, M July, Q October. So only Q October is the correct combination. So fourth one is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. This is called as coding and decoding. Study the following information, then answer the questions. Select the appropriate option is coded as TRPOASBN. Little delay select option is coded as TQUTASTR. Appropriate little option Q is written as BYBNTQTR. Delay timing select space is written as UTASJHLO. Now we have to find the code for each and every word. So while doing coding and decoding, you have to see the first two sentences. See, I am naming the sentences 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let us see. Select the appropriate option. The first one is select the appropriate option. See, in 1, 2, 3. In first one there is a word select. Second one there is a word select. Last one there is a word select. So what is the code? If you see the first one, we are having AS, second one AS, last AS. So select code is AS. Then in 1 and 2 we are having select, also we are having option. See select and option. In 1 and 2 you are having TR. So TR stands for option. Option means TR. Option code is TR. Then the appropriate. Now 1 and 3 appropriate is there. You can see in 1 and 3 appropriate. In 1 and 3 you can see BN. So what is the code for appropriate? BN. Appropriate code is BN. Then what is the code for the? THE the. So the code for the will be PO. THE the code is PO. Now let us move to the second sentence. In second sentence already option is over. Then select is also over. Now little delay. Little delay. In 2 and 3 we are having little. In second and third you can see the word little. In second and third you can see which code, that is TQ. So little stands for TQ. Little stands for TQ. Then delay. We are having only one thing called delay. We are having UT. So the code for delay is UT. Delay code is UT. So with this we completed the second sentence. Now move on to the third one. In third one already appropriate means BN. Little means TQ. So BN is over, TQ is over. Now option. Option means TR. That is also over. Cure means BY. The code for cure is BY. The remaining code is BY. Come to the last one. Delay timing select space. Delay means UT. Delay means UT. Then timing select. Select means AS. Select means AS. Now timing is left, space is left. JHLO. So the code for either timing or space is either JH or LO. Now let us move to the questions. First one, what is the code for select? So the select. The means PO. Select means AS. So fourth one is the correct answer. Then what is the code for cure appropriate delay? Cure appropriate delay. Cure means BY. Appropriate means BN. delay means UT. So BR, BY, BN, UT. So it cannot be, it need not be in the same order. Second one is the correct answer. What is the code for little timing? Little means TQ. Timing means either JH or LO. Any one should be there. Along with TQ, there is JH or LO, which we don't have, so cannot be determined. What is the code for TRUT? So TRUT means what is the code for TR and UT? TR means option. Already TR means option. TR means option. Then UT means delay. So option delay or delay option. One is the correct answer. Next one. If timing open is coded as LOCM, that means timing is coded as LO, open is coded as CM. Then what is the code for space issue? Since timing code is LO, space means JH. Space means JH. Then along with JH, there should be new word because issue is a new word. JH, AX is the correct answer. JH, AX is the correct answer. Option 3. Option 3 is the correct one. Now let us see the next question, that is 11 to 15. 11 to 14. So here we are having this greater than, lesser than. So let us answer the questions based on that. See the first one. T greater than H, H less than Y is equal to L less than or equal to Q, and Q is equal to R, sorry, Q is equal to R less than U is equal to M less than A greater than F. H less than U. First one, H less than U. So from H to U, the common symbol is less only. Therefore, first one definitely follows. Then A greater than L. So from L to A, the symbol is less than. Therefore, L less than A or A greater than L definitely follows. That means both 1 and 2 follows. Next one, I greater than T, T less than H less than J greater than M less than P greater than U is equal to D greater than B is equal to K. First one, T greater than P does not follow. Second one, B greater than or equal to J to B there is no common symbol, that also does not follow. So answer is neither one nor two. Next question. Y greater than U is equal to H greater than or equal to K is equal to C greater than or equal to D less than S is equal to T less than or equal to Y. Now U greater than S, U to S there is no common symbol. Then T greater than or equal to H, that also does not follow. But if you see this one carefully, U greater than S is equal to T. Therefore, we can write U greater than T. Then T greater than or equal to H is equal to U. Therefore, instead of H, you can write U. So U greater than T and T greater than or equal to U, or U less than or equal to T. These two are complementary pairs. So answer is either 1 or 2. Let us see the next one. Z greater than N greater than or equal to D less than M, F greater than D, O is equal to M greater than T. N greater than T, N greater than T. So N to M there is no common symbol, so we can't expect M to T, there is no relation. Therefore, first one does not follow. F less than Z, F less than Z. Now, Z to D, the symbol is greater than. So, Z greater than D. F to D, the symbol is greater. So, D less than F. There is no common symbol between Z and F. Therefore, second one also does not follow. Let us see the next question, 15 to 19. Study the following information carefully, then answer the questions. There are 8 persons having different designations: general manager, deputy general manager, assistant general manager, assistant manager, senior section officer, cashier and clerk in a company. The order of the seniority is same. GM is the senior and clerk is the junior. At most 3 persons are senior to J. There are 3 designations between J and Q. There is 1 designation between Q and W, who is just junior to M. There are 2 designations between M and N. K is senior to A, P is senior to K, but junior to N. Now, all of you open one 3-column table. First one is the designation. Next one is the person. Also next one is the person. So one 3-column table we are going to draw. Here it is clearly given general manager is the senior. So first GM, next DGM, next AGM, next manager, followed by assistant manager, followed by section officer, cashier and clerk. Cashier and clerk. These are the positions we are having in the company. Okay, now let us see this one. We are going to do in two possibilities. These are the two possibilities. First one, at most 3 persons are senior to J. So senior to J, maximum 2 persons or maximum 3 persons should be there. So maximum 3 persons. So we can take any number of persons. So maximum 3 persons should be senior to J. At most 3 persons are senior to J. Maximum. That means J can be senior or J can be second senior or J can be 3. Maximum 3. You can't write J here. Now, there are 3 designations between J and Q. Between J and Q, there are 3 designations. There is one designation between Q and W. W is just junior to M. So there is one designation between Q and W. W is just junior to M. There are 2 designations between M and N. Between M and N, there are 2 designations. Between M and N, there are 2 designations. It can be like this also. Here, between M and N, 2 designations. Now, P is senior to K but junior to N, and K is senior to A. So we should get like this. P is senior to K but junior to N, and K is senior to A. So N, P, K, A. If I see here N, P, K, but we can't write A here. So this one is definitely wrong. Now here in the first case, N, this can be N, P, K, A. So this is the correct arrangement. Now based on this, we should answer the given questions. So this one is definitely wrong and the first one is correct. Now based on this, we should answer the questions. Let us see the first question. Let us see the first question. How many persons are senior to P? Senior to P, how many persons are there? Only one. Then Q has this designation. Q is nothing but cashier. Who is the manager of the company? Manager is M. Then which is the correct combination? Correct combination is which one? K cashier is not correct. P AGM not correct. J DGM is not correct. WSO A clerk. Only A clerk is correct. Let us see the next one. How many are there between K and N? Between K and N, there are 4 designations. There are exactly 4. So this is wrong. Exactly 4 are there. First one is correct. Exactly 4 designations are there between K and N. Let us see the next question, 20th. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word advertising? AD, advertising. 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 Each of which has as many letters between both forward and backward. So we have to see from A to G and G to A. Now let us see from A to G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So what is the first pair? A, I is the first pair. Now next one. D, E, F, G, H, I. DI is the second pair. DI is the second pair. GI, we got the third pair. Now after V, there is no alphabet. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, nothing. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, nothing. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, nothing. So only 3 pairs we are getting exactly. 3 pairs is the correct answer. Let us see the next one, syllogisms. In the questions given below, there are 3 statements and we have to identify which one definitely logically follows. Now first one, only few Uh, tree is T. Only few tree is T. Then only timber is star. No timber is a T. No timber is a T. Only timber is star means all star is timber. Now, some star can be T. Here it is clearly given only timber should be star. So, star cannot be T. So, first one does not follow. Some tree is not timber. See this one, no T is timber. Inside T, some part of tree is there. Therefore, some tree is not timber definitely follows. So, only second one definitely follows. Let us see the next question. Only few shoe is train. Some train is sail, no sail is a travel. First one, only few shoe is a train. Then some train is sail, some train is sails. No sails is a travel. First one, all shoe can be travel. So there is no relation between shoe and travel. Therefore, first one definitely follows. Some train is not travel. No sail is travel. Inside sail, some part of train is there. Second one also definitely follows. So both 1 and 2 definitely follows. The next one, 43.56 means sum. Sum 2 is 1. Sum 2 is 1. All 2 is twin. All 2 is twin. All 2 is twin. All 1 is twin. All 1 is twin. All 2 is twin. All 1 is twin. So here 45, 43.562 is 1. That means some 2 is 1. Then all 1 is twin is given. Okay, this is wrong. Let us draw one more thing. See, some 2 is 1. Some 2 is 1. All 1 is twin. All 2 is twin. You see both this one. All 1 is twin. Also all 2 is twin. So you can draw like this. This is twin. No twin is a end. No twin is a end. Now let us answer the question. No one is end. See here, no twin is end. Inside twin there is one. Therefore, no one is end definitely follows. Some two can be end. So here 2 and n, the relation is no. Because no twin is n, no 2 is n definitely follows. So some 2 can be n does not follow. If no is there, some is not a possibility. So only one definitely follows. Let us see the next one. All bread is moonlight, some bread is egg, only few branch is moonlight. First one, all bread is moonlight. All bread is moonlight. Then some bread is egg. Some bread is egg. Only few branch is moonlight. Only few branch is moonlight. First one, some branch is bread. Some branch is bread does not follow. Some egg is moonlight definitely follows. So only second one definitely follows. Then see the next question. No copy is ant. A few ant is bees. Some copy is insect. First one, no copy is a ant. No copy is a ant. A few ant is bees means some ant is bees. Some copy is insects. Some copy is insects. No insect is ant does not follow, but some insect is not ant will follow. Therefore, that does not follow. Some ant is insect that also does not follow. But these two are called as complementary pairs. So answer is either one or two follows. Why? Because there is no relation between ant and insect. One no statement is given, one some statement is given. These two are called as complementary pairs. So answer is either one or two. Let us see the next question. 26 to 30. There are 8 persons A to H sitting in a row facing towards north, not necessarily in the same order. Distance between any two adjacent persons is 6 meters. Distance between C and A is 12 meters. 3 persons are there between A and B. Distance between A and F is 6 meters. Then H is 6 meters to the right of C. D is second to the right of H. Distance between C and B is equal to distance between D and E. Now all of you draw one straight line or two straight lines. Divide into 8 parts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Distance between any two persons is 6. So this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, 6. So distance between any two persons is 6. Now distance between A and C is 12 meters. Three persons are there between A and B. There are three persons between A and B. So I can take A here, 3 gap B. Or I can take B here, 3 gap A. Distance between A and C is 12 meters. So after A, take 2 gap either to the right side or to the left side. So here I am taking C here, 12 meters. This is 12 meters. Why? Because this is 6, 6, 12. 6, 6, 12 meters. Then distance between A and F is 6 meters. Distance between A and F is 6 meters. H is 6 meters to the right of C. H is 6 meters to the right of C. D sits second to the right of H. This point, D sits second to the right of H, will not come here. Here we will get D. Distance between C and B is equal to distance between D and E. So this is E. Now we are left with only one person, that is G. This is the correct arrangement and this is not correct. The second one is definitely wrong. Now let us answer the questions. First question. Who is to the immediate left of B? Who is to the immediate left of B? So immediate left of B, the person is H. What is the distance between C and G? Between C and G, this is 6, 12, 18, 24. So 24 is the correct answer. Who is third to the right of A? A right, first F, second C, third H. How many persons are there between E and F? Between E and F, how many persons are there? This is E and this is F. In between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 persons, more than 4. Then next one, who is sitting second to the left of the person? Who is fifth from right hand? So fifth from right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is H. H left second. H left second, the person is F. H left second, the person is F. F means answer is 1. 1 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. If we form a meaningful, 4-letter meaningful word with first, fourth, fifth, sixth. First letter means M, fourth letter K, fifth letter E and 6. MKET, we don't get any meaningful word, so answer is Z. So if no meaningful word, your answer is X. So X is our answer. Let us see the next question. Let us see the next one. There are 8 members in a family of 3 generations. There are 2 married couples. L is the only son of A, who is the father of K. S is the son of P, who is the daughter-in-law of M. D is unmarried sister-in-law of M. U is the child of A. So this is the family of 8 members and 3 generations. There are 2 married couples. This is most important. There are 3 generations and 2 married couples. First one, L is the only son of A. So first write down A. L is the only son. L is the only son of A. A is the father of K. Then K is the daughter. Definitely. Why? Because L is the only son. Then U is the child of A. Also U is the child of A. So U is the child of A. That means U is also daughter. Why? Because L is the only son. Next one. S is the son of P, who is the daughter-in-law of M. See this one. S is the son of P. S is the son of P. P is the daughter-in-law of M. That means P is married to L and P is the daughter-in-law of M. That means A will be minus. Now S is the son of P. S is the son of P. D is the unmarried sister-in-law of M. That means D is the sister of A. Then only D is the unmarried sister-in-law of M. So this is the total blood relation. There are three generations, first, second, third, two married couples, one and two. So this is the total puzzle. Now let us answer the questions. First one, how is U related to P? U is related to P. How? So U is the sister-in-law of P. So definitely U is the sister-in-law. Then how is A related to S? A is the grandfather. How many male members are there in the family? There are totally three male members, three plus symbols we are having. Which is the married couple? U and P is not a married couple. D and S is not a married couple, but L and P, it is definitely a married couple. So option is 4. Let us see the next question. 8 members A to H, they are living on the different floors of 8-story building. The floor is numbered as the consecutive multiples of 3, starting from 3 as the bottommost. So this is most important, and so on. So there are total 8 members. 3 is the bottommost floor. And we should take the numbers like that. That means, so all of you open one 3-column table. First one is the floor. Next one is the person. Also next one is the person. First divide into 8 parts. Eight parts. So bottommost is 3. That means third floor, sixth floor, ninth, 12th, 15th, 18th, 21, 24th is the topmost. Okay, now we are doing in two possibilities. Let us try. There are three persons between B and C. C is living on the even number floor. So C is living on even number means C can be on 24th or C can be on 18th. There are three persons between C and B. Now, G lives just above B. G lives just above B. Difference of G and A is 15. So here G is 15. G and A difference 15 means 15 plus 15 it should be 30, but we don't get 30 here. So this is definitely wrong. This is 9. 9 plus 15 24. So 24th floor will be A. There are two persons between A and D and E. Two persons between D and E. It can be like this or it can be like this also. Number of persons living below E is 1 less than the number of persons living above F. Who lives above H? F is living above H. Now we have to place this arrangement here. There are two persons between D and E. There are two persons between D and E. And one more thing, number of persons living below E is 1 less than. So if I take D here, suppose if I take D here, 2 gap E. Okay, number of persons living below E, 1, 2, 3. It should be 1 less than the number of persons above F. So above F there should be 4, but if I write F here, this is also 3. So this is definitely wrong. If I take E here, that is definitely wrong. Now, this is one more case between D and E 2. Below E, there is no person. Below E, there is no person. It is 1 less than above F means F above F, there is one person. F is living above H. F is living above H. So, this is the correct arrangement. Now, we should answer the questions. First one, how many persons are there between H and G? Between H and G, how many persons are there? Only one. Then second one, what is the sum of A and E? A is 24th, E is 3, 27. On which floor does F live? F is living on 21st floor. Let us see the next question. 4 of the following 5. 4 of the following 5 are like in certain way and hence 5 group, which is the one that does not. See here, A, it is on 24th floor. A is on 24th. C is on 18th floor. H is on 15th floor. B is on 6th floor. D is on 12th floor. Except H, remaining all are even numbers. Who is living on the last one? Which of the following pairs is on the adjacent floor? So here H and C are adjacent floor. So both H and C are adjacent floor. So tomorrow we will discuss the new paper. With this we are going to stop this session.